Hey, Pips be upon you. I just want to bring the traders to notice on gold. Looking at this weekly chart here, and I want you guys to take a good doggone it. This drives me nuts. I want you to take a good look at this, man. Doggone it. Oh shoot. If I could just get it all together one day, one happy day. I don't know what just happened there. All right, let me get rid of this. All right, yeah. Now, if you could just notice this here, what we have here is a bull flag in gold, and I'm noticing right here that price is coming to an area of confluence. We have confluence of support. We have this demand zone created over here, and I marked it from this bearish candle, and as soon as it was violated by the bullish candle behind it, I marked it there and marked a halfway point inside of it, because a lot of times price, when it comes to visit these demand zones, either it'll hit from the top where it begins, or it goes down to the middle and then it springs back. And you will see upon closer inspection, if I can blow this up just a little bit, you can see it has hit that middle point exactly square and has given us a wick rejection. Now, that doesn't mean it's going to pop all the way up now, all right, because it's so close with the support line of this bull flag and this demand zone. You know, let's look over left and see if there's any other supporting evidence. Well, what we see here is price had this bullish impulse, and then it went into this corrective phase here where it's consolidating. It's been here for weeks, right? So I mean, it's been consolidating since April of last year, all right, for weeks, for months, I'm sorry. And and uh and then it creates this demand zone when you see price springing forth from it like a fountain. So this one, you know that this needs to be marked. And whenever price comes back to a strong demand zone that hasn't been retested, hasn't been tested yet, right? I expect an equal or 25% less response. That would mean that uh, instead of it going up here, I expect it to go maybe to here, maybe around this area. And that would put us right at the edge of on the support, the resistance line of this bull flag, and that would make sense in that scenario. If price is hitting a confluence of support here, naturally, I would think it's going to go to the other side, the top side of the bull flag, and that would put us right. That would put me right where I think price would go. All right, and I would think it would bubble up here once it gets up here and pop up and meet the top of the bull flag. But that's a whole different scenario. This is all technical, so there's no fundamentals being considered in this scenario. So let's bear that in mind as well. Now, I do want to take a brief look at the lower time frames. Let's look at it on a daily. I want to take a hard look at that this demand zone. You see how price gives that strong bullish wick, that strong buyers statement there. There's a bunch of buyers here, a bunch of orders here, and we're ready to go. And look how it leaves the zone. This is what I'm looking for here. That's why I want to take this closer look. That's not the strongest reaction I would expect. And if you look at, if you're into indicators, you'll see that on the daily, on the RSI here, we are at the overextended line mark. If these were stocks, this would be over oversold. All right, it's ready to bounce. So we have a little room. We can go to the this is the 30 line. I really take notice when it starts to gets under that, gets towards the 20 line. All right, but we have a little room here. So that's why you saw that circle there at the beginning of this video. I just want to keep an eye on this area. I want to keep an eye on this area. I want to look for bullish formations and patterns. I want to see some wick rejections from here. I want to see some engulfings, a morning star, something that signifies a reversal. So I'll be looking to enter a swing trade on the 4 hour when it gets here. But right now the market is bearish. There's no reason in the world to be looking for a long position until we start seeing some patterns, some price action that says, hey, price is about to turn around. All right. I got these blue lines here to show the clean break and retest that have been going on. All right. And all we have to do is keep our eye out for a lovely repeat of the same. You see this here? This is get out of here. This is what I'm talking about, right? That's clean price action, man. That's just clean price action. You break the level and then come back, retest it cleanly, and then break down. I'm looking for more here in gold. All right. So this is what I'm looking for. I'm hoping that we can catch this situation here. If I can just get proper colors, I'm hoping that we can catch a situation like this here. And I know it's there. I know it's there, and it's close. So let's keep an eye on it. Okay.